ॐ भद्रं कर्णे ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः
ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः
स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः
स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवागंसस्तनूभिः
व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः
व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथा राजे अस्मान्
ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथाराये अस्मान्
विश्वानि देवा वयुनानि विद्वान्
विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान्
युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो
युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो
भूयिष्ठां तेनमवुक्तिं विधेम
भूयिष्ठां ते नम उक्तिं विधेमा
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः
प्राणश्चक्षुः
श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्
सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदम्
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु
अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु
अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः
तदात्मने य उपनिषत्सु धर्मा
ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु
ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
So in every session, we have been trying to recite these Prarthana mantras, three, the Shanti mantras, because we must invoke the Bhadratvam or security and prosperity from various gods, and also our physical well-being, mental well-being, and spiritual well-being, and total health. Everything is expected. So we choose some gods. Indra, Pushan, then Garuda, then Brihaspati. Most importantly, they will be blessing us. And Agni is the energy par excellence. energy, Agni is the health par excellence. So we want Agni to be able to give us enough strength in us and ability in us so that we will be able to overcome our own difficulties, and he will be our guide for many other spiritual knowledgeable pathways. Therefore, we have to make a salute to Agni Deva. And third one is again a salutation to our own personal limbs, because unless all limbs are cooperative and helpful, we will not be able to execute our life to the full expectations and to the full happiness. Therefore, we are just trying to repeat these three mantras. Moreover, we are just in the pool of understanding the Taittiriya Upanishad, which is supposed to be a most popular Upanishad among Upanishad, which will have only three vallis. That is, valli is the creeper. One is about the Siksha valli, then Brahmananda valli, and Bhrugu valli. So now we are in the Brahmananda valli trying to know regarding the knowledge and Anandam. So the knowledge, Vijnana, we call it Vijnanam, Yajnam, Tanute. When it is said like that Vijnana is knowledge, Vijnana is ethics, and Vijnana is the reasoning power. So when all these things are clubbed, then we are able to execute our own karmas, karmani tanute picha. In tanute, we have noted that it is not A and stop, but it should go up to Z. That is, there is going to be change and growth and prosperity and development. And for all that kind of happening, we require the Anand, we require the Vijnanam, Gnanam and Vijnanam. And all gods love that kind of thing. And among all that, Brahma is the culmination of all knowledge in that. And we have noted also that Vijnana Anyontara Atmanandamaya Tena Isha Purnaha. So Anandamayatva has been indicated to us that for the Ananda, what are the factors? Anvayam and Dakshina Paksha, Uttara Paksha, and Atma. In this, we have noted for the Ajnanamaya Kosa, Anvayam is the order of the man or Purusha born, and Moda is the right wing, Modaha, Dakshina Pakshaha, and Moda and Pramoda and Ananda. They are the three factors which would merge into Ananda. That is, Nanda is happiness, Ananda is total happiness. And our Atma, Paramatma or our Atma, basically is completely filled with the Ananda. See, Ananda is bliss, Ananda is tranquility, Ananda is the content in contentedness, Ananda is love, Ananda is joy, and it is the bliss. And ultimately, all this Ananda is with the Brahma. And whatever is there in Brahma, we want to get it into ourselves. And therefore, that's all called about Atma Jnanam. So Atma Jnana, Brahma Pucham Pradashya. And Pucham is the extension, and Pratishtha is what we want upon the earth. Because we have been given the impression in Vedanta that we are never going to be permanent upon the earth. ఈ భూలోకంలో మనది శాశ్వతంగా ఉండలేము. But we have the aberration that earth is our permanent residence. There is no permanent residence at all.
Correct.
Therefore, we are the visitors.
Correct.
We are visitors here, and a visitor would have some stipulated span of life. And
Correct.
when once that stipulated span of life is there, you cease to be visitor and you have to go back. A very interesting analysis. Therefore, now the next section which we are going to have is termed or titled as Anandamaya Kose Brahmana Pratipadanam. In other words, Kose Pratipadanam means there is the sheath of Ananda completely enveloped or pervaded by Ananda, and in that kind of absolute Ananda or bliss, there is the Brahmadeva, the supreme reality, staying in that kind of Ananda. So there is now a kind of information, description about that Anandamaya Kose Brahmanaha Pratipadanam. Now please repeat Om Asanneva Sabhavati.
Om Asanneva Sabhavati.
Asat Brahmeti che Veda Chetu.
Asad Brahmeti Veda Chet.
Asti Brahmeti Chet Veda.
Asti Brahmeti Chet Veda.
Santamenam Tato Viduriti.
Santamenantato viduriti.
Tasyaisha eva Shariratma.
Tasyaisha eva sharira atma.
Yapurvasya
Yah purvasya
Athato nu prasnaha.
athato nu prashnaha.
Uta vidvanamum lokam pretya.
Uta vidvanamum lokam pretya.
Kaschana gacchati.
Kaścana gacchati.
Aho vidvanamum lokam pretya.
Ho vidvanamum lokam pretya.
Kaschit samasnuta.
Kaścit samashnuta.
Sokamayata.
Sokamayata.
Bahusyam prajayeti.
Ahusyam prajayeti.
Satapotapyata.
Satapotapyata.
Satapastaptva.
Satapastaptva.
Idagum sarvamasrujata.
Idagam sarvamasrujata.
Yadidam kincha.
Yadidam kincha.
Tat sruštva.
Tat sruštva.
Tadeva nupravishatu.
Tadevanu pravishat.
Tadanu pravishya.
Tadanu pravishya.
Satchatyacha bhavatu.
Satyatyacha bhavat.
Niruktam cha niruktam cha.
Niruktancha niruktancha.
Nilayanam cha nilayanam cha.
Nilayanancha nilayanancha.
Vijnanam cha vijnanam cha.
Vijnanancha vijnanancha.
satyam chanrutam cha.
सत्यं च नृतं च
Satyamabhavatu.
सत्यमभवत्
Yadidam kincha
यदिदं किञ्च
tat satyamityachakshate.
तत्सत्यमित्याचक्षते
Tadapyesha sloko bhavati.
तदप्येष श्लोको भवति
So now, before we are given all confidence, we are just introduced to the Ananda. And ಈ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಎಂತವನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, there is going to be characterization, description of Brahma and his existence, and it all depends upon our acceptance and belief, and that's what is being expressed. You see, asanneva sa bhavati saha Brahma appears as though he doesn't exist. Then asat Brahma, this is the statement, Mahavakyam. So Brahma అనేవాడు కంటికి కనిపించడు. బ్రహ్మ అనేవాడు అబ్సల్యూట్. ఆ బ్రహ్మ అనేవాడు సూప్రా కాస్మిక్ ట్రాన్సెండెంటల్ ఫోర్స్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు accept and know that Brahma Veda Chetu. If you know that there is no, Veda is knowing, imagining. If you imagine that there is no Brahma at all, or Brahma's existence is not real, it is something which we cannot know, but we have to discover it. And now there is another option here. Asti Brahma iti chet Veda. So supposing you come across the determination that has been expounded in our Upanishads earlier, Yavani Asti Brahma, Asat Brahma. See, a Brahmani gurinchi maatladetappudu, it's all our belief and faith and knowledge that should be able to educate us and convince. And what happens if you consider him as existent, if you consider him as non-existent, what would be the status? And because you have got some kind of questioning. So then you say, and you see, iti asanneva bhavati is one, but he doesn't appear to our eyes. దేవుణ్ణి ఎవరు చూడలేరు, చూసిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు మనకు చెప్పరు. అవునా అండి? చూసిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు చెప్పరు. అండ్ చూసిన వాళ్ళు మైమర్చిపోయేసి వాళ్ళ లోకంలో వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. కాబట్టి పరమాత్మ అనేవాడు అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. అసన్నేవ అంటే అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్. అండ్ ఆ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్నెస్ ని, ఇఫ్ యూ నో దాట్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ దేర్, దేవుడు ఉన్నాడు, దేవుడు లేడు అన్నట్టుగా, ఆ లేడు అసత్తు బ్రహ్మ అనేది అనుకున్నాం అనుకుంటే, ఆర్ అస్థి బ్రహ్మ అనుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది అంటే, నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ విల్ బి ది ఇంప్రెషన్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ దట్ వి గెట్? సంతమేనం తతో విదురితి. సో ఆయన ఏనం బ్రహ్మాణం సంతం విదుహు ఇది. తతః అలా ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతుంటే, you have got to understand or get hold of the knowledge. Vidu means getting hold of the knowledge. ఏమని చెప్పాలి? ఏనం సంతం. సంతం అంటే he is existent. సంతం ఏనం, he is existent, and that's what you have got to. And moreover, iti cheptunnaru kada. That means it is not the postulating that or proposition made by the Taittiriya Upanishads for the first time, because all Upanishads depend upon the previous Vedic texts.
Right.
So whatever has been told, the same is being retold and explained to us. And therefore, Viramanarante tataha viduhu. See, when you have this kind of existence and non-existence concept with you, then you have got to imagine, you have got to get a knowledge that there is the Paramatma and he is real, he is really influential, he is just a guide for us. And it all depends upon your attitude and living and learning. Now, then, Yeshaha Santam Anukunte, Santam meant he is there. If you think that he is existent and is real and he is blessed and all that, then he must be having a body, Atma. And what is that Atma? Sarira Atma. Sarira means connected to the body. That is, he has also got a body. When you imagine that Paramatma has got Atma, a Sarira Atma, a physical appearance and everything, then there will be a number of questions coming forth. Athato anuprashna. ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒక ప్రశ్నలు మనకు అనుమానాలు సంశయాలు పుట్టుతూ వస్తుంది అంటాడు. అండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ కశ్చన గచ్చతి అనే పాయింట్ పదే పదే రిపీట్ చేశారు ఈ ప్యాసేజ్ లోపల. అండ్ యు సీ ఉత అండ్ అముం లోకం విద్వాన్ ప్రేత్య కశ్చన గచ్చతి. సో అహో విద్వానముం లోకం ప్రేత్య కశ్చిత్ న సమశ్నుతావు. సో ఆ బ్రహ్మదేవుడు ఉత అంటే అండ్ ఆల్సో ఈ లోకానికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత అండ్ ఈ లోకానికి ఆశ్చర్యకరంగా వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఏమేమి వస్తుంది వాళ్ళకి, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఆల్ దట్ హీ విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు అక్వైర్, అండ్ హీ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ సంథింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ and some activity for Parabrahma would take place. And now, Parabrahma ఏమైపోయింది, సో కామయత బహుశ్యాం ప్రజాయే, ఈ ప్రజాయేయ ఇతి. You understand the splitting there? See, ఏంటి సో కామయత, when one Brahma is manifesting with the Akasha Shariram, with Atma, then when there is Atma, there are some antecedents or attributes for recognizing the Atma. You know, Akasha Shariram Brahma, already you have come across that. Now, Akasha Shariram Brahma means not about the Atma then. So here it is a Sharira, it also is an Atma for that. So, Vidwan amum lokam pretya kaschitu samasnutavu. So when once he comes to this world, he will be able to attain something and all that. And that, what does he do? To attain something additional upon this earth, what is the process? So the process is described to us, describing the Ananda, that stage. In fact, all children, the entire creation is the product of Anandam. Without Anandam, there is no birth at all. Therefore, here, Kama is the one important one. Kama is the desire. Now you hear, so Kamayata. So suddenly when he is having the bliss and all that, and all that knowledge, then he started desiring Saha Parabrahma Akamayata, I think so. What is the desire that sprang up in Paramatma? Ante Bahusyam Prajaya Prajayeya Iti. So again, it is a quotation that I want to give birth or give rise for a large number of people. Prajaya, Prajayeye is the verb that Bahusyam, it is Bahu is to many. And he wanted to become many. Eko in Vishnu Sahasranamam, you know this thing. Eko nekaha stavaha kakim. Ekaha anekaha. See, a single person would desire to have contact and more himself generated. Like that, here also, the Parabrahma wanted to be born in many people. That's why in Purusha Suktam, you are already introduced to the concept that he is there in the stomach. Prajapatistarate garbhe antaha
Correct.
ajayamano bahudha
Vijayate.
asya dhira parijananti
Vijananti yonim. Yes.
So ధీరా andre ఋషులు బుద్ధిమంతులు ఆర్ మేధావులు ఆర్ యోగిన్స్ సో వీళ్ళకి మాత్రమే విషయాలు రహస్యాలు తెలుస్తుంది ఆ ఐడియాని మళ్ళా ఇక్కడ there is now you see the replica of that kind of concept and moreover that is Yajurveda also that Purusha Suktam so kamayata so akamayata is the past tense because desire first result next unless you desire you do not get it long back you must have desired that you are getting that now so whatever it is the desire is the most important one which people must entertain in number of ways therefore here bahusyam prajayeti I want to multiply myself and also urge many others, those whom we have created, to become many more, so that one person cannot create everything. There is a cooperation and creation itself is a yajna. అదని ఏం చెప్తారంటే సంభూయ సముత్థాన అంటారు అటువంటి యజ్ఞం లోపల పరమాత్మ కూడా ప్రజాపతి కూడా ప్రజాపతి మీన్స్ ప్రజానాం పతి ప్రజాపతి Pati is a palaka. Pati is the protector. So who is the sustainer of all people that are being born or that are being produced or that are being coming into the world? That's the question of it. So what did he do? For that kind of desire fulfillment, it doesn't happen immediately. One has to work for that. One has to do some yoga. One has to do some tapas. So ఏం చేశాడు ఆయన అంటే సతపోదప్యత so he went on doing the tapas and ఆ తపస్సు చేసిన తర్వాత తత్ సృష్ట్వా తదేవాను ప్రావిశతు తదను ప్రవిశ్య so Paramatma is really great. Are you understanding, Amma?
Yes.
I want to see your face so that I can see how whether you are following. Because face will tell you. Because this is really a wonderful sequence that even the desire is important for the Prajapati. See, in other Upanishad, see, idamagra salilamba, idamagra asa. See, there was water at the beginning. And after water, in the water, Hiranyagarbha, a golden egg Prajapati, he floated and Sadadhara Prithvim. So he gave birth for the children, people and all that. So Yakrapina same thing is able to reflect. And so, in other words, we are talking about the creation. సృష్టి క్రమము ఎలా జరిగింది, ఎవరు ఈ సృష్టికంతా మూల కారణం. దట్స్ వాట్ ఈ కృష్ణ పోతన ఇన్ తెలుగు భాగవతం says that ఎవ్వని చే జనించు జగమెవ్వని లోపల నుండు లీనమై ఎవ్వరి యందు నిందు పరమేశ్వరుడెవ్వడు అనాది మధ్యలయుండెవ్వడు సర్వము ఆనయైన వాడెవ్వడు వాణిం ఆత్మభువం శరణంబు వేడగన్ అంటాడు. ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్ ది దీప నిర్వాణ గంధం? అది కంప్యూటర్ నుంచి రాదు మీకు. ఐ జస్ట్ బిఫోర్ స్టార్టింగ్ అవర్ పూజ క్లాస్ అండ్ పూజ ఐ జస్ట్ దీపాలు వెలిగించాను.
ఇంకా 4:30 అయింది కదా అంకుల్, 5 o'clock పెట్టాను దీపం.
I have done the job, it's good. సో దీపాలు వెలిగించుంటే ఇప్పుడు దీపాలు కొండెక్కాయి.
ఓకే.
ఆ ఉన్నటువంటి స్నేహాన్ని అంతా పిలుచుకొని కొండెక్కిన తర్వాత ఆ మంచి స్మెల్ వస్తుంది. ఆ స్మెల్ ఏమంటారంటే దీప నిర్వాణ గంధము అంటారు.
ఓకే.
దీపం ఆరిపోతే వచ్చే గంధం. అది ఆ గంధాన్ని అందరూ ఆగ్రహిస్తారు. కానీ those people who are liable to I got some kind of problems, death and all that, వాళ్ళకి ఈ గంధం వాసన చేరదంటాడు. గంధ నిర్వాణ దాన్ని చూడలేరు, వాళ్ళకి పీల్చలేరు. అంటే వాళ్ళకి దిస్ ఇండికేషన్ దట్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డై. లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండికేషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ అబౌట్ దీపం. సో నౌ కమ్ బ్యాక్, కొంచెం డైవర్షన్ ఇచ్చాను మీకు. సో he got the desire that I want to create more and more people. Prajaya ye. Praja is the noun. Prajaye ye is the verb. So I want to create more and more people, more and more beings in more and more sources. Bahusyam means చాలా మంది లోపల నుంచి ఆ జనరేషన్స్ చిల్డ్రన్ వచ్చేదానికి నేను ట్రై చేయాలి. సో టు గెట్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పవర్, టు ఫుల్ఫిల్ హిస్ డిజైర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ది మెజర్? తపః, తపస్. సో దట్స్ వై వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ఎ స్టేట్మెంట్, తపసా సిద్ధ్యంతి కార్యాణి న మనోరథైః. సో తపస్సు చేత మాత్రమే మన కార్యాలంతా అంటే కష్టపడాలి. పొద్దున 7 o'clock మీ ఆఫీస్ లాగాన్ అవుతే సాయంకాలం దాకా దాంతో ఉండాలి. మీ భోజనం కూడా పక్కన చిన్న కప్పులో ఉంటుంది, లంచ్. యూ హ్యావ్ నో టైమ్ టు స్పేర్ టైమ్ ఫర్ టేకింగ్ లంచ్ సెపరేట్లీ. లంచ్ బాక్స్ ఆర్ లంచ్ కప్ ఇట్ విల్ బి దేర్ నెక్స్ట్ టు యూ. అది అలా ఎంత కష్టపడతారో మీరు అందరు మహానుభావులు. There is no time to meet, but everywhere there is only money, kashtam. Anyway, atla kabatti even Prajapati also, if at all he wanted to create the people and also make the people recreate another, so there's going to be a great activity where the whole world has got to be filled with people, high population. So ప్రజాయేతి, వాడు ఏం చేశాడు మహానుభావుడు? సతపో తప్యత. సో హీ పర్ఫార్మ్డ్ తపస్. తపః అతప్యత. సో తపస్సుకి తపస్సే వర్బ్ అవుతుంది. తపస్సు నౌను, తపస్సుకి వర్బ్ అవుతుంది. సో అతపత్యత మీన్స్ హీ పర్ఫార్మ్డ్ పెనెన్స్ ఫర్ దాట్, ఫర్ గెటింగ్ ది పవర్ టు బి ఏబుల్ టు create people more and more upon the earth, because he is Akasha Sarira and he has got all the scope to fill as many people as he wants. So that's why Prajapati is that. Avanta em chesadu? Tapas chesadu. Tapas chesi satapastaptva satapo atapyata. Satapastaptva. Atapachyata is the past tense. Tapassu chesaడు, done. అండ్ ఆ రీతిగా తప్వా అనేది అవ్యయం. అంటే ఆ రీతిగా కష్టపడి తపస్సు చేసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేశాడు? తదేవాను ప్రవిశతు, ఆ తపస్సులోకి తానే వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. సో హీ వెంట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ది తపస్, ఆర్ తపస్సు వెళ్ళిపోవడం అంటే ఏంటి? ఆ తపోశక్తి పరమాత్మగా ఉంటున్నాడు. సో ఆ తపోభక్తి ఏమైంది? అనుప్రావిశతు, అండ్ తదను ప్రవిష్ట్య. So he has entered and he created all things, and into the creation he entered and he became a part of that. See, tadanupravisya, anupravisya ante follow up. A going forward, then B behind, but if he also merges into A, it's called pravisat. And get himself identified and absorbed. So Tat Sruštva, having created the beings, what he has done? Tadeva Anupravisatu. He tried to enter the same. And after that, what has that particular pravesha of Lord into the Niruktam or Vijnanam, and that has been given direction here. And the Brahma, who is now concerned here, he is a Brahmaloke Maheyate. So that Brahma is there only, but hiding in the, They were able to locate and give, that's how the Purusha Sukta comes into being. Now look at it. So ఏ పవర్, ఎటువంటి పవర్ రావాలన్నా కూడా the most important thing is we have to do penance. ಕೈ ಕೆಸರಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಮೊಸರು. But if it were to be a cat, there is a proverb, cat on the adage. అంటే అలా నీళ్లు చేపలు చూస్తుంది నదిలో, but unless it puts his paw inside the water, it will not be able to catch the fish. But cats ఎట్లా అంటే they don't want to wet their paw, but they want to have fish food.
The fish. How is that possible? How is that possible?
But అదే కదా పరమాత్మ ఇంకోటి పెడతా, అదే భిక్షాందేహి. You don't cook in your house. You will go to another house where there are sannyasis or mendicants who will put bhiksha for you.
That's a very elevated state. Kada.
So if you think that there is asat in our body, then the asat also will have the manifestation. And if there is sat which we gather from the, then that is there. That's why, what was the desire? Tapasya, he just performs the penance to get the Shakti. Here he had only the tools or utensils, but whatever he wants to get, he must be able to get it. So that he acquired. Therefore it is said, Tadevanu pravisatu. So he entered and made that particular thing activated and chalanam. And how it got divided, that energy, cosmic energy, the divine energy which entered into the Taittiriya, then how many ways that has got divided. And two. That's why probably even Pandavas are given that two options. Satchitchahadu. Repeat.
Which one, uncle? Yeah.
Hmm.
Satyatyachabhavat.
सच्चत्यज्या भवतु निरुक्तं च निरुक्तं च
निरुक्तं च निरुक्तं च
निलयनं च निलयनं च
निलयनं च निलयनं च
विज्ञानं च विज्ञानं च
विज्ञानं च विज्ञानं च
सत्यं च नृतं च
सत्यं च नृतं च
सत्यमभवतु
सत्यमभवत्
यदिदं किञ्च
यदिदं किञ्च
तत्सत्यमित्याचक्षते
तत्सत्यमित्याचक्षते
तदप्येष श्लोको भवति
तदप्येष श्लोको भवति
The text is so musical, it will induce you to sleep. నిద్ర రాలేదు రాత్రి అని మీ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే
ఇది
you pick up
చదవాలి
Taittiriya Upanishad and read for some time. కొన్ని పారాగ్రాఫ్లు కొంతవరకు చదివిన తర్వాత you feel automatically sleepy. వేద పురుషులకి నిద్ర గురించి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, చదువుకుంటూ ఉంటే ఇది వచ్చేస్తుంది. సరస్వతి అమ్మవారు ఎంత పెద్దవాళ్ళే, ఇఫ్ యు రీడ్ సంథింగ్ noble literature, you will get sleep quickly. If you are seeing TV or serial or something like that,
you'll
you
keep
will never
awake
get sleep. And your sleep is robbed and you are destroyed. That is the magic. So all people say that before you go to sleep, you should say Ramaskandam, Hanumantam, Vainateyam, right? All these people you should remember. So here, when the Brahmadeva has got the desire, he performed a penance, and when he performed, he got taposhakti, and with that taposhakti, he created everything. Sarvam is a all-sweeping situation where how so many kinds of creatures have come into being. We have only seen a few creatures, but we have seen more creatures which we have not seen at all. If you go to fields, rice fields are like that, there you will see a lot of worms and flies and all that. So all are just then born, sajjo jatas are all. Therefore, here it is said that idagum sarvam asujata, he performed penance, picked up the power from Brahma, and he became a temporary Brahma, Tatkalika Brahma, and he just came out and into that body, and then he just created, and he made each king to be the leader of that particular group, and so that's what it is. Bahusyam prajayeti sadapodapyada. So that was not at all answering the question, and he wanted to know more. So he wanted to know, he performed a penance again, and yadi dagum kincha tasrishtva tadevanu pravisatu. So child and mother, they are inseparable. Even if child is 89 to 90 years, if mother were to be living, it is a great blessing for her. So 90-year-old Sanjeev Reddy's mother just kissed on the forefront of Sanjeev Reddy, who became the first president of India. Became the president of India, not first. But he has brought forth so many changes. And adukoskaram ikkada satapastaptva idagam asujjata idam kincha tat srishtva devanu pravisadu. And here we are embarking upon the knowledge of the Rudram, where you are being told that you have to have some power in you. For that power, you have to perform some. That's why Mudra Abhishekam also people do it once in a way. That is to clean. That is, they should be doubly clean. And moreover, when we get desires fulfillment machine, and we should also be aware that they should be able to talk to you and bless whatever you would like to have. And so, Tadeva Pravisatu Tadanupravisya, the moment Dushyant, the moment the court is brought in camp, then all people, all the creation entered into that. That's why a lot of misunderstanding is going on. And what is that? There are the Trivunas. And he and Tadanu Pravisya, he entered inside their bodies. And what happened? Satya Bhavati. And moreover, what are the branches that are got? That, yes. Look at the division, Sattu and Asattu. Satyacha Bhavati, is it not?
Yes.
Please repeat. Satyacha Bhavatu.
Satyatyacha bhavat.
Niruktam cha, niruktam cha.
Niruktam cha, niruktam cha.
Nilayanam cha, nilayanam cha.
Nilayanam cha, nilayanam cha.
Niruktam cha, niruktam cha.
Niruktam cha, niruktam cha.
Nilayanam cha, nilayanam cha.
Nilayanam cha, nilayanam cha.
Vijnanam cha, vijnanam cha.
Vijnanam cha, vijnanam cha.
Then what is that Vijnanam? We are given the next. Nilayanam cha, nilayanam cha.
Nilayanam cha, nilayanam cha.
Vijnanam cha, vijnanam cha.
Vijnanam cha, vijnanam cha.
Satyam cha, nrutam cha.
Satyam cha, nrutam cha.
Satyam cha, nrutam cha. Satyam bhavatu. So now, please repeat.
Satyam cha, nrutam cha, satyam abhavat.
So these are all the dvandvas. When there is two things, you are always confused and you cannot choose it. And if there is only one thing, without any alteration, you just take it out. So, here it is said, Vijnana and Vijnana ultimately becomes the truth. And what is truth? Truth is Parabrahma. Satyam Jnanavanantam Brahma Yo Veda Nihitam Guhaya. So, like that, here we have the Niruktam is defined, Aniruktam undefined, and Niruktam etymology, the words which has got etymology, and Aniruktancha which cannot be derived from nouns or verbs and all that. That is really tough thing. Nilayanam means dwelling. And anilayanam, no dwelling. So dwelling and no dwelling, this is what is there. Similarly, Vignanam cha, Avignanam cha. So Avignanam, Avigna, both of these things are there. And then this is realized. Today we stop here. I feel sleepy. I don't know. So
One
we'll
question I
continue.
had, Uncle. I'll just stop the recording.